quiet. Don't touch the tubes, because if you touch the tubes, game over. We have soared.io beta version 1.15 by Scratch Gotham. And guess what, everybody? He has a tutorial video on how to build this game. And I checked it out. And it is really cool that he has 418 subscribers to his coding channel. Gotham, this is amazing. Let's go ahead and play your game and see if we need a tutorial on how to play. Whoa, so I control his direction, and then I have to take that. Whoops. Wow. I can do this. Come on. So we have Kind of Geometry Dash by LL number 48. Are you really 48 years old? Perhaps. So let's go ahead and play this game. So it is a scrolling. It's really nice. It has smooth. Whoa, that was a difficult jump. This looks pretty hard here. Up next, we have Fight Hard by Pleasant Hill. Well, a student at our Pleasant Hill location. I recommend they make their own Scratch account. This is pretty amazing. Whoa. Fight hard! Okay, we have Reach the Door by The Fire Animal. And at first, I thought, oh, this is just another get the key game. But wait until you see this next level. The music's pretty nice, right? This is cool. Grab the coin, makes that real Mario coin sound. This is a little tricky. I like that. That's what it sounds like when you whip out your key. All right, let's get that door. Everything that's green. Nice job. We have Flappy Cat by Cannon Plays. And guess what? It's a Flappy Bird remix. Oh, it never gets tiring, but boy, this game is quiet. Don't touch the tubes. Okay, we have Square, a platformer by Global Games. Boy, there seem to be a lot of very simple platforms, but wow, look at the physics on this one. Nice, and you've got heart lives over there. I guess we're going to the blue and not touching the red. Boy, it really feels good. Okay, I can do it. I didn't do it. I've got one heart left. I've only got one heart. I can do it. I didn't do it. I made it up to level 5. That's pretty cool how it kept track. Okay, we have Untitled 2709 version 3, the remix by Pleasant Hill. Now, this game it's got some pretty decent code, but as you can tell, you are playing PacMan. You're not going to get sued by Atari because you're playing PacMan. It's kind of trippy, but it's sort of organized. I'm getting these red things. I have the power. Now, what is the power? Does that mean I can eat that ghost? I did. I ate the ghost. So in some ways, this is the most complex version of PacMan that I've ever seen. In other ways, the background's beige. Okay, this next one by Jaren Jackpot is FNAP. Five Nights at P? Custom Night. Okay, so I don't know how to play Five Nights at Freddy's. No idea. So I'm gonna click Custom Night. Maybe in the comments, you guys could tell me how to play this game so that I could come back and I'm just gonna click on stuff. There we go. If I click on this, there, that looks good. Is there gonna be a jump scare or something? Okay, another game by Jaren Jackpot. I love this. 2 games for 1. Let's see if I can figure this one out. I just click on the map and then it will open up these Harry Potter themed places and I can either play the game. Look at that car. What am I supposed to do? So there's like these mini games in here. So is there a particularly good mini game? Oh, the train, it's coming. We have Squirrel Invaders by Ultimate Galaxy. And make sure before you start this game that you understand the types of squirrels out there. First of all, there are the rough squirrels. They die in 1.5 seconds. And then there's the normal squirrel that just dies instantly. Okay, let's get playing. I'm ready to shoot these squirrels. Okay, I died instantly. Okay, we have Zombie Lapse 1.3.2 by Ignited Bonnie Lover 6. How many Ignited Bonnie Lovers are there? Okay, so this is from the tutorial by Warframe, I believe. It's a very famous tutorial. I think he has 1 million views. And it is basically this zombie-style game. Wow, different versions? I'm going hard. Here we go, hardcore time. Let's play against the computer. Here we go, turn. What? they're all coming for me. I've been infected. Okay, we have Space Invaders, still in progress by 29 Diego. Now, I love when they give you instructions on games, but this one's a little bit hard to read. Don't touch the enemy, which is falling down, and then get power-ups, and power-ups, and most of them must get high scores, and they do ships. Woo! All right, let's just play this game. How do I play? Oh, it has, like, Star Wars. Oh, I can shoot them, and power-ups, and let's go shopping, because I want to buy. And we have Rocket Adventure by Epic Niceness. I love this game. Check this out. You are a rocket, and it's your goal to touch the color green. But you can't touch the red. Oh, yeah, look at this. Like a glove. Okay, this is the hard part. Can you get around this? Oh, my gosh. Oh, yeah. Now you got to touch the cookie. And that looks like a delicious cookie. And that makes you go very fast. And then things come after you. And then you've got... I forgot, you got to touch the green. How am I going to possibly touch the green? Let me touch the green. When you designed this game, was it possible to get to the... It just doesn't seem possible. I want my money back. That's all the games that I have for this week. I need more games to play. So submit your game to hackingtons.com/scratch, and I'll feature you on the Scratch Show. I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and click like.